It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Kept it Galleria open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making.
Yes, may I get 4 bacon cheeseburger sliders? Actually, no. Actually, I'm sorry.
Are you order with your order?
Can I get 3 bacon cheeseburger sliders? And then 1 fish slider?
I'm sorry, 3 bacon cheeseburgers or whatever?
And 1 fish slider?
That's it?
And then can I just have a side of fries?
That's it?
Yeah, that's it for me.
Alright, 1 second. Alright, $10.75.
Alright, thank you. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not new here, welcome back, arrGangggg. So, y'all, it is, first off, it's 3:34 in the morning. I'm at White Castles. As you guys can see, I am getting me some food for dinner. I mean, not dinner, but you know what I'm trying to say. I'm getting me some grubby, because I just got off work and I'm hungry. So I said, why not stop and give me some White Castles. Then I'm gonna take my happy tail home and want to eat. And then we can tell you about my problems because I have some problems to talk about. Sound like a plan? I think so. So, as I'm sitting in White Castle's drive-through line, I think I'm about to go respond to my YouTube comments. Oh, y'all, we are at 544 subscribers right now. Y'all see it? 544. Thank you to everybody that's subscribing. I'm gonna read some of y'all comments out loud. So we have Nick O comments every single day. They said, happy Thursday, you have some good insurance. That is a reasonable. Okay, this snowman need to sit down. I'm trying to talk. You know what? I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get home. Because he's made me mad. I ain't gonna lie. All that noise. Alright, friends, so we are home. Made it to the house. Y'all seen that bedroom, my room, look a mess. I just got some sliders, as y'all heard. I think we eat my fish one tonight. But I was reading a few of my comments before I was really interrupted by that snow truck. Nick O said, happy Thursday, you have some good insurance. That is a reasonable price for a crown. When the time is right for you, praying for complete healing for your beautiful grandmother in Jesus' name, Jesus' mighty name. Looking forward to seeing your soul food dinner. Stay warm and enjoy the rest of your day. God bless. I love the comments because he or she, I don't know if it's a man or a woman, but I think it's a woman. They comment every single day. If not, it's a man. I don't know. Make it be known to me so I can know. Simply Red comments every day as well. She said, after the holidays are over, get your dinner work done, son. You need your teeth more than you know. I wear dentures now. Happy Vlogmas Day 22. 3 days left. You got this. Thank you so much, Red. I appreciate it. Living with T, she said crowns are expensive. I'm knowing because I have to get one. I don't want to. These are comments on my video from yesterday. Another person that always comments that I never gave credit to is Life of Risha. Thank you so much, Risha, for commenting. I really, really appreciate it. Of course, Lori and Bridget, of course. And then, you know, whoever else. I love y'all so much. I appreciate the comments. I just want to read a few of those. I'm about to eat this fish sandwich before my camera die. It's about to die. Whenever I go to this White Castles, my food always tastes funny. I'm gonna stop going there. It always tastes like it got soap in it or something. I don't know. Like, all the fried stuff tastes nasty to me from there. But they don't put in the grease. But I just want to read a few comments. I'm gonna go to bed. And I'll see y'all in the morning. Peace. Good morning, guys. It's like 11:50 something. I just had my phone. It's 11:52. I'm about to get up so I can make these cookies for us because they have to sit in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So therefore, we have to get a move on because Siri. Hey Siri. What time will it be in 2 hours?
It's 1:52 p.m.
1:52. That'll be done just enough time for me to go to work. So I'm about to get up and start prepping these cookies so that we can mix them and break them and eat them. And that's literally all I have for y'all today is literally baking cookies. I was gonna go to Walmart. So I need to get some wrapping paper and some other little miscellaneous things to cook for tomorrow. But I think I'm just gonna do that tomorrow. It snowed. Let me show y'all. It snowed outside. Let me see. It snowed, guys. It snowed. It snowed outside in the middle of the night. We had a white Christmas. I don't like that. So yeah, that's the dealio for today. So we're about to get up, put on a shirt, and I'm about to make these cookies. I'm gonna show you the ingredients when I get dressed. I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright, y'all, so I'm taking out this trash. And this snow, I'm not a snowman, okay? I'm not a snowman. I might be built like a snowman, but I'm not a snowman. I might be like physically built like one, but I ain't no snowman. Taking out trash in the snow. Oh no, I'm not used to this. But I guess it's the lifestyle living on your own. So when we get back in the house, we're gonna bake our cookies. Not bake them, but we're gonna prep them. They have to sit in the refrigerator for 2 hours, like I told y'all. But I had to take this trash out because it was smelling really, really bad. So yeah, I'll touch you in a minute. All right, y'all. So I'm finally back in the house. Y'all did some other things since I last talked to y'all, but I'm about to show y'all the cookies and how they look. All these vlogs, I did not watch these vlogs last night. Oh yes, I did. I didn't know. I didn't finish hers. I fell asleep on hers. I didn't watch that her vlog, so I don't know why she's even getting views. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all the cookies.
I'm showing you how to make these soft caramel-filled Twix cookies. You want to start by beating the butter and the sugars until they're all combined, and then mixing the egg and some vanilla. When it's all mixed together, add the flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and some salt. And once you get a dough, add in the chopped Twix, and I added some white chocolate too. Now you can just roll them into balls and put them in the fridge. And don't skimp on this step, guys. It does make a difference. Once they're baked, let them cool slightly, and they're done. These were so good, and the hardest part was just waiting for them in the fridge. Everything else was easy.
So yes, those are the cookies. These are the cookies I'm making. I don't have cornstarch, so I was told to use extra flour in the mixture. So that's what I'm going to do, and we're going to do it. So let me get set up real quick, and I'm about to come on back on the camera. I'm going to come back on the camera. All right, y'all, so I got my Twix. I got my white chocolate chips, so that's what I wanted. I got my butter. So it says it needs, I forgot how much butter it says. It says it needs 3/4 cups of unsalted butter. Well, I don't have unsalted butter, so we're gonna use salted butter today. Yes, we're gonna use salted butter. We're gonna use 3/4 cups of light brown sugar. We need 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/4. I already said that. Yeah, I already said that part. And then you're gonna need 2 cups of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna use extra flour. And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Right. And then for the Twix, it says 1.5 cup chopped Twix, and then 3/4 cups of chocolate chunks. So these are the chocolate chunks today. So I'm about to go ahead and measure all this stuff out, and then put it in a mixing bowl.
Hang on a mistletoe, I'm gonna get to know you better this Christmas, and as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. This Christmas, the fireside is blazing bright, and we're caroling through the night. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. I shake a hand,
Alright, y'all, so y'all just seen that I added in the egg, sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, all that good stuff. Now I'm finna add in the 2 cups of plain flour. I'm gonna do 2 extra teaspoons of flour as well, so I don't have the cornstarch. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of baking powder and then a pinch of salt. So I'm about to add that stuff in there now, and then we're gonna let it sit for 2 hours.
There's presents and cards are here, my world is filled here and you. This Christmas, and as I look around, your eyes inside the town that you. This Christmas, the fireside is blazing bright, and we're caroling through the night. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas.
Oh, hey y'all, I had to put y'all in the freezer. My camera overheating. So I don't know why I keep overheating. I don't know. Every day it's the same thing. But I got the mix. I went ahead, I beat it with the mixer one more time. I'm about to roll it into some little cookie balls, and then I'm gonna set them on here so we can put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So let's get busy. Alright y'all, so I don't know what's going on with my camera, but it keep overheating, so I think I'm gonna have to take this back to Best Buy for the second time, because the first time I took my camera to the shop, I dropped it in some water and they gave me a new camera. So this is a new camera, so I don't know why it keeps overheating. So yeah, but y'all, I was supposed to get my couch today. Did y'all see where I'm at? I'm sitting on the floor. I ain't got no couch. My couch not coming, so my couch got delayed. It was supposed to come today. It got delayed, and I picked the date of the 25th. So now it's not coming on the 25th. It's coming on the 20. No. I'm sorry, not 25th. The 28th. Now it's not coming to the 30th. So I guess we're gonna be sitting on the floor all Christmas break. Me, cause I don't have no couch. Like, I really had plans to sit on my couch and enjoy myself, but it is 1:23 right now. So the cookies are going to come out at 2:23 because I can't let them sit in there for 2 hours because I don't have time for all that. So they're only going to sit in the refrigerator for an hour. I did have some leftover cookie dough, so I guess I could try to make the rest of them tomorrow. So we're going to make 6 today, and the rest of them I'll put them in the stove tomorrow. They only have to cook for 8 minutes, so yeah. So I might leave them in there for maybe an hour 15, maybe. No, I'm not gonna have time for that. No, they gotta come out at 1:20. I mean 2:20. Yeah. All right, y'all. So that's off right now. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I get ready to put them in the stove.
Go and take a shot on me. Only drug a bitch we saw is the tree. But I last 10 rounds like a freak, like a G.
I can't lose when I'm with you.
How can I lose in this?
Nobody Well, I'm the main one crying. Why you checking on me? And I'm the main one crying. Main one crying. Are you doing? Just tell me of everything. Main one crying. arrGangggg, I'm the main one trying. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and it came to silver lamps that glow on your own front door. Sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow.
Alright, hey y'all. That's our regularly scheduled program. It is 3 o'clock and it's time to put our cookies in the stove. So come on. Let's do that. We got our cookies right here. They already been sitting. They've been sitting for about an hour and some minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the stove real quick. I already preheated the stove to 180. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in here for 8 minutes. Probably on 175, but I did an extra 5 degrees, so you know, yeah. We're gonna set a timer for 8 minutes. Okay, how about, yeah, you're supposed to bake these cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That 175 degrees was Celsius. So I have to restart my stove. I took the cookies back out and we're gonna put them back in because we're running out of time. It's 3:30, 2:37. We have to leave here at 3:30. So yeah. What is that? I always got sun on my face. What is this? What is that?
Done that. And yeah, so on to the vlog. Alright
y'all. So I just got done with the cookies. I put them back in there for like an extra like little minute. Maybe like 10 minutes, 5 minutes maybe. So this is what they look like. This is what they look like on the inside. It won't focus. Can you focus on me? Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's break it again. Let's break it again. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, let's try it. Let's taste it. Hey, this junk smack. Y'all, I ain't no baker. I ain't no baker. I ain't no baker, but this boy slap. Ooh, it's rich, real good. Alright y'all, so that's all I got for y'all today. I love y'all. Hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember this, we ain't from Venus, we from Mars. Peace out. See y'all tomorrow.